lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. For my supporters, for the backup of Temi Best, thank you for supporting your baby girl and thanks for sharing my video. You can please subscribe to my channel if you're coming across this for the first time. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare something they call samosa. I think it's samosa, or you can still call it, I don't really know the name. If you know the name, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. But I think it's called something samosa or something. Yeah, you can decide to use chicken, but I'm using beef, yeah, grated meat. So I'll be stirring it like this, although I've already fried my garlic powder and my onions. If you are not using garlic, oh god, you might not like the fresh one. Like me, I don't really like fresh garlic, but I can use the powder one, like just a little bit, so Lord, it will give you small good scent, like good vibe. So I'm trying to add my chicken flavor here, then I'll turn it again. Yes, so I'm not going to talk too much here. Yeah, we'll surely drop all the ingredients in the comment section. So I'm adding my nutmeg, a little bit of nutmeg, my turmeric powder, no, curry powder. Then I'll let it fry just for 5 minutes in a low heat. So yeah, this is my sauce. Then after it's already done, I'm trying to squeeze the water out from the beef. Then I put my pan here. Then I'm going to fry my vegetables. This is my carrots. I'm going to fry it. Then I'll turn on, I will turn my what's it called, bell pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. If you want it spicy, you can add your habanero pepper, which is hot pepper. So I had a little bit of it. Then I'll turn it to fry in a low heat. Then after that, I'll squeeze the water out because we don't want the water inside the stuff. Yeah. Hello. Just stir it like this. Then I had a little bit of salt that I'll go on and add my vegetable flavor. Just a little bit of it, it's okay. Then I'll cover it, let it fry in a low heat. Then I'll come back and squeeze out the water. Yeah, not that hard. Yeah. So I'll go on and turn my fried beef or my cooked beef, and I'll stir everything together this way and let it fry in a low heat just for 10 minutes. It's enough for 7 minutes. Then this is what I'm talking about. This is what I use here. This is the samosa, something like, okay, spring roll. Yeah, so I'll be removing it one by one this way because there are 40 pieces inside, so I'm going to be removing it one by one. Then after that, just lay your spring roll, then add your beef. So this is beef after I've already stirred everything together, fry everything together. So I'll go on and add 1 spoon of my beef mixture, vegetable stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to fold it anyhow you like. But I'm going to use 2 because sometimes you can use 1, you can use 2, depend how you want it crunchy. Oh my god, I love this, like I really love it so much. Oh my gosh. If I tell you that this stuff we are seeing, so within how many minutes or 1 hour, all of us finish it. Oh my gosh, we are just carrying it one by one, and it remains just only 3 left. Can you imagine? So I'm trying to fold everything, like, just fold it anyhow you want it. Then you are good to go. So I'll go on and add my groundnut oil, a little bit of groundnut oil. Then I'll begin to place everything on the pan, yeah. So in a low heat, very very low heat. You don't need too much of fire, just need to put it in a very low heat. Then you are good to go. Yeah, so this is it. Let me leave you guys to watch this. I said I don't want to talk too much, but trust me, I'm talking. I'm talking because this is also delicious. Yeah. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can help me to share the video and turn on the notification bell. If you already subscribed, you haven't turned on the notification bell, oh, you are missing. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.